Morning, everybody. Pro Trader Mike, founder of MOJO. We're here in the day trading room. Good morning. Hope you had a great night last night. We're going to look for an amazing trading day. We do that every single day. And Thursday, 9 o'clock. See what's going on. Apple made a big move yesterday. 200 beans. We traded it through. I'll show you what we did. We'll get over into the room. There we go. Hey, what's that guy doing there? Nice. Look at that this morning. So I got the time going there. What is that? Let me see if I can fix that format. My dogs are making squeaky toys. I want it. What does it say? 9/3/2. I want to say August. Month first. Oh, there we go. Make it bigger. And let's put it above his head. So it's 9:04. I put the seconds in. Yeah. 9:04 and 49 seconds. Got this thing as a clock. Pretty cool. Stick that right up here or right down there. I think I'll stick it right up there. Cool. Looks like Tesla's got some news. They got that gigafactory. It's amazing. Elon Musk is incredible. Like I telling all these people what I do and all these things I got going on. They're like, oh, how can you handle all that? I'm like, build another 20 of them, build another 100. They're like, what? I'm like, yeah, Elon does it. I'm like, we can do it. Let's see here. Elon Musk. Gigafactory. Does 1 billion watts. Did an interview with Leonardo DiCaprio. Right here. I'll show you. So it's shaped like a diamond factory.
So the sooner we can take action, the less harm will result.
Amazing robots. Look at those things.
Holy crap, that's a good robot.
It's a good robot.
What is your grand vision for all of this?
Listen.
The gigafactory is to get the cost of batteries down to the point where it's affordable. Right. Batteries are critical.
Look, see all that power, guys, right there? See that? Look, right there.
Future. The sun doesn't shine all the time, so you've got to store it in a battery.
Look at all those. Look at all those batteries. Look at them.
So the advantage of solar and batteries is that you can avoid building electricity plants at all. So you could be a remote village and have solar panels that charge a battery pack that then supplies power to the whole village without ever having to run thousands of miles of high voltage cable all over the place. It's like what happened with landline phones versus cellular phones. In a lot of developed countries, they just didn't do the landline phones. They just went straight to cellular.
See that? He's a genius.
Like, what would it take to transition the whole world to sustainable energy? What kind of throughput would you actually need? And you need 100 gigafactories.
100 of
these. 100 of these, yes. That would make the United States
doable.
The whole world. The whole world. The whole world. All energy.
All energy. The whole world.
Yeah. That sounds. It's manageable. That sounds manageable.
Manageable. Look at that factory.
When it's complete, I'll have the largest footprint of any building in the world. Counting
That's my new mining farm.
So Tesla can't build 100 gigafactories. The thing that's really going to make a difference is if companies companies that are much bigger than Tesla do the same thing.
He asked me, I said, I'll do one.
Industrial companies in China and US and Europe
And MOJO
companies, if they also do this, then collectively we can accelerate.
He's where he says, I told Mike about it, and he likes the idea too. Listen.
To favor sustainable energy, we can get there.
See? Oh, you missed that part. You didn't hear it? Oh, the video cut out. Yeah, he says, I called up Moj. Mike loves the idea. He's going to build a gigafactory. He wants 1 billion watts done, renewable. Oh, such a good idea. Elon's the best. Jeez. Let's see what we got here in the market this morning. Get your computers ready. Let's see what we got. All right, we're going to reach over now and go to QTRH, DXCM, Star Surgical, ESIO, Electroscientific, Torch, HLIT up there again, Tesla, Acor, NSIS and Fint, PS and PCMI. We're just narrowing the stocks down right off the list. This is what we do. People pay hundreds of dollars for scanners. What? You know why? Anybody who owns a room, listen to me carefully. They use the Gap scanner. They use a scanner from this company called Trade Ideas. Okay, they came to me as well. Get rid of this thing. And one, you're really lazy. Doing that, it's like they got you. They got you. Listen. It's a big subscription, I'll show you. Let's go to Trade Ideas. Because they came to me. And I tested. They were actually, I was going to teach a Trade Ideas University. But I think they just stole my idea. Their day trade room, they didn't have no action. The guy was calling out the picks, didn't know what the hell he was doing either. I was going to merge their room. They nixed the idea because I never sold their Trade Ideas scanner. I said I would do that, but I don't use Trade Ideas. So it's kind of like the scanners after the fact. I get your ideas first. I get my ideas first before your Trade Ideas scanner does. So let's go to Trade Ideas. I'll show you a third monitor. And right here we're on Google. And look who the biggest pumper of them is Ross and Warrior. Okay? So let's go to Trade Ideas. Free instant access. Let's go in. Oh, see, they're getting your email address to even get in there. They're suckers, man. Let's see if we can get into the site without giving them our email address. Yep. So that's Holly. Another big freaking pop-up shit. They're so desperate for damn business. So everyone's using this product, and if you go to the pricing, it's $6.50 a day. They have to hide it as like a day. So they get you for the $6.50 a day times 30 days is $195 a month for that, to tell you what stock's good for the day. So let's go $3 a day times 30 days is $90 a month. Or you can do the $290 a year. Dude, it's bullshit. You know why? Because he's getting out of that $650 $2 from you. Out of the 3, he's getting $1. I said, I don't need to push your product that I don't even use or like. I'm not going to do that. I could make your traders better by teaching them how to be a businessman in a system and not really rely on a scanner, because that's after the fact. The scan picks up the move after it's been made. You need it before it's made. And all these e-signal trade, they're all getting compensated by these companies in order to push the product. All of them. And they all are using it. And they're all getting paid by this company. Where's the affiliate program? About us, our team. It's the chick. It's the chick. Right here. Where is she? She's gone. She was the one. This guy, he does shady deals with them all. Dan Merkin. But there was a girl that they had in sales that was just a freaking relentless email and just bullshit. Where's the... Here, become a referral partner. Right here. Referral program. 20% commission. So they're, and plus. So he's got, like I said, he's getting 30% out of that 195 times 30%. He's making $58 a month every month off you guys that are using that stupid scanner. And he's got, let's say, 500 people. You're giving him $30,000 a fucking month. It's ridiculous. It's lazy. It's bullshit. I just don't like that, man. Maybe if you didn't do that, and the people that didn't do that, maybe you'd make 6 and 7 figures. You know, some of them don't. Some of them make 6 figures, but you never get to be a millionaire. Because you're taking money from your traders, man. You're taking money from your traders. That ain't cool. That ain't cool. What's up, Ramey? Yeah, anyone can find it after it's made its move. Absolutely. Anyone can find it. Oh, you got Dogos? Look on Twitter. Go to the Twitter sphere. Yeah. So I was talking with this, setting up a deal right now. You can see yesterday. I don't know, some of you guys heard it. Right here. You know, while the market's down and people are scared, that's when you have to go in and buy. You know, Warren Buffett didn't make all his money till he was after 50 years old. Did you know that? And he always buys when the market's down and then sells when it's up. Right here, I'm doing I'm building these miners, these advanced rendering 3D killing kryptonite supercomputer. Each component of the computer is $5,000. They're each little section of the supercomputer. There's 16,000 sections of the supercomputer that I'm building and putting together at $5,000 a sectional component, worth $80 million. I'm building the largest hashing, graphical, powerful supercomputer all over the place. I'm going to need like 25 megawatts into that. A lot of power. Lot of power. Holy shit, that's right. You better believe it. Better believe it. 112,000. I think 112,000 graphics cards in this one spot. But they're not just regular graphics cards. They're like these. Let me show you. You see, there's this company called Bitmain. I don't know if you've heard of them, but they're doing an IPO. And they're doing an IPO and they're worth $12 billion. Now, look up at the top. Let me show you. The top tab. What does it say? Antminer. Antminer's old, baby. Let's go to artificial intelligence, shall we? Oh, what's this? Sophon. What the hell is that? It's an AI chip, leading company in the world making a deep learning acceleration card for tensor computing with an IVA server. MOJO's building the MOJO server. Specific server for intelligent video and image analysis, delivering a holistic solution for multiple AI application scenarios. That's what I'm doing. You want to go buy one of these cards? They're sold out. They don't even sell them. It's for artificial intelligence, smart cities, robots. This is the future of GPU mining and GPU cryptography and everything that's involved with graphics cards and acceleration cards and FPGAs. This is the future, guys. Sophon, S-O-P-H-O-N. If you're hearing this, Bitmain, if I go to your site and I want to buy your product, I'm going to go to the Antminer, and at the top it's going to say shop.bitmain.com. I just want to let you know, when you go to Sophon at sophon.ai and you go sophonshop.com, I already own the domain. I own shop.sophon, sophon.shop, Sophon shop, Sophon learn, Sophon cards, Sophon A1, Sophon chip, Sophon this, Sophon your dad and the mom. And I own everything Sophon. I have a beautiful portfolio of like 50 Sophon domains that were, I can't believe, available. But if you would like them, we can work out a deal in the area of maybe 8 figures. Yeah, boy. That's what I got. So if you go register the domain, get rich Bitcoin mining, baby. Give me my summer domains. That's what I got with the Sophon card, the Advanced Learning Acceleration card. That's the future. They'd be like, see that guy walking across the street right there? Him. He's a terrorist. By the time he gets to the end of the block, the officer has been alerted on his smartwatch saying, dude, here he comes. Get him. And the guy don't even know he's being watched. See that? That's the future. So let's check out what we got here today in the stock market. Damn, the stock market's a manipulate. Dude, can I tell you something now?
Yes.
Listen.
Well, yes. Yes.
I want to introduce you to my friend, Big Red. This is Big Red. AWX. Ooh, let's show Big Red. Okay. Let's show you Big Red. This is the stock market, folks. Look. You ready? Oh, Trump gets elected. Cool. Trump has a master plan. Trump sends it over 20,000. Trump sends it into 25,000 land. Right here. See this? Was green at first. Now look at it. Right back where it started. What would happen if the stock market fell 7,000 points and went to 18,000? What would happen to the Bitcoin? He's not stupid, folks. He runs up this table. They're ready to go to the next table. They're a money-making machine. Trump is a money-making machine.
Yeah, baby.
Don't I have that? Don't I have that one? I thought I had a Trump one. Don't I? Do I?
Maybe. Yes, maybe no.
Oh, no, thought I did. But anyway, that's what's going on, dudes. Amazing. DCXM, it's 116 cents. How you gonna? You can't trade that stock. Could you believe that AWX did that? It went from 35 to 3 in one day. One day. Just destroyed people. Could you imagine owning the stock and buying it up here? It went to $30. Not 20, 30, 35. And now it's at 350. Unbelievable. Star Surgical. I bought this stock at $3. It's 38. Want to see? Let's check it out. I got to start my screen share. Let me go do that first. Screen share for the room. You guys could check out the room while I get my screen share ready. Got a lot of people in here now. Alan's in here, 43 pros, 13 traders, 29 others, 1,001 other below that. It's a lot of people in this room. How do I go on YouTube? You go to YouTube. There's the link. Silly, silly bean. Join. Open. The code this morning is 27107. Two 27107. 27107. And there we go. See, I'm live right there. Hello. Okay. So they're joining. All right, 927. Star Surgical, huh? I had that stock cheap, man, years ago. See, STAA. I played it a couple times. Right here was one of my last picks on Star Surgical. Right here, where I owned it, at $1.98. 4 quarters of amazing earnings right here on the bottom, 512, 631, 507. I picked it at $1.98 right here to grow from a loss of 10 cents. I picked it in 2013, 5 years ago, at $1.98. Isn't that amazing? You want to see another one? That was, yeah, I think that's the same one. Yep, 317 earnings play. I had two of them in the same folder. Earnings play right there. Again at $5.69. So this is the next year in 2014. Obviously, they grew at 550% like they said they were going to do. doing 4 cents to 26 cents from that loss of 10 cents, and now the stock is $38. That's not too shabby. The gamut of stocks I've been around have been for a long time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off the microphone now because I'm going to go over to the day trade room and start to put out my picks for the morning. You can watch this on YouTube. However, it's 9:28:43 right now, and on YouTube it's delayed. So it hasn't even switched on YouTube yet. There it is. So it's 9:28:38. It's 9:29:09. You're about 30 seconds behind. So trading on YouTube, I would not recommend. I would recommend instead coming to the MOJO Day Trade room and following along with my picks there. T-1 and counting, guys. Subscribe to my channel, click the button, and we're off to trading. See you later. Alrighty, guys. Pro Trader Mike, back to you right here. Let me show you what we got going on in the MOJO Day Trade room. So we're in a couple of stocks right now. Excel, I got 1,000 shares at $21.96. Excel is 22.15 by 16. I got 1,000 left. I got NSYS. I already sold that. I was down 885. I sold it up here. I got some more at 631 on NSYS. NSYS is 627 by 35. I own it right here at 31. So let me just get some sell orders in. I have an odd lot. I don't know how I got it. That's 709. Let me just clean up this odd lot here. Hold on a second. I have 2,000, whatever it is, 2,992. I don't know how I got that. I made 3 trading button error mistakes so far this morning. I have 1,000 Excel right here. Let's see what we got. So I got Excel 1,000. It's at 220 at the high. QTRH 149 by 150. I have 4,000 of those at 143. Now I have a little bit less. Here goes Excel. New high on Excel. Still holding 1,000. I made a mistake on this stock this morning. Here it is, VSTM. For some reason, it was in my window. For some reason, it was in my window, and now I have a loss of $40 on it. And I don't even know how it got in there. I don't even know how it got in there. So let's see what we have here. We've made $260 on QTRH. We're up on Excel at a new high right here on Excel. So we're going to come out of 500 shares of Excel and just sell some right there and see if they take it. They just took it like it was nothing. See, 500, boom. So I got 500 of those left. Let's just sell the rest of those anyway. But that was a decent trade. They just took 500. Where is it? There it is. So we made $345 on Excel. Down on NSYS, $199. I made $609 today. See, I'm not trading the big size. It's August, trading a new account, small account. Made $609 today. Now I'm down on NSYS though, because I'm not looking at it. What is it? $6 by 625. I got to round up that even lot on NSYS. 292. So I got to go 3,500 minus 2,992. I got to buy 508 shares, or somewhat of a combination. Oh my God. It just fucking dropped. Someone just shorted. Look at it, just dropped. I'm down $2,000. What the fuck is that? Someone just shorted it against me on the show. Holy shit. Great. Look at this fucking stock that just dropped. Someone must have shorted a shit. Someone put only 80,000 shares, and I'm down 2 grand, only on 4,000 shares. 615 I own it at. 5 cents, I'm down 50 cents. Holy shit, that was quick, huh? Wow. People are getting freaking auto closed down here. Gonna snap right back up. Come on, film me, bitch. I'm bumping it right here for a little bump back up. I got 200. I just got filled again. I'm at 5,000 shares at 601. All right, let's stop right here for a second. I'm going to trade it in one shot and then sell it and hold some. It's going to be a loss. It's just a matter of how much of a loss at this particular point, unless it shoots right back up. I don't understand what the hell happened. That sucks. I only have a $609 profit. It's offsetting that. That's not good. Oh, my screen share just went off. Let me fix it. Think someone shorted it against the MOJ? You think someone shorted it against the MOJ? I think so, man. That's what happened. It's happened as I was talking. And it didn't take a lot of shares to knock it down. The bars are not big at all. Someone just hit a freaking... And they'll have to check that because you can't hit a market order down like that. It's got to be on upticks. You can't just slam it down, so we'll see. Fucking pissed. Thank gosh I didn't have my other. This wasn't yesterday. The day before I would have had 20,000 shares. I'd be down 13 grand. But that's not a good start for the month right here. Can't believe it just fell a fucking dollar. It was at 8. They're not giving me none. See that? I'm on the bid. They ain't giving me none. Someone got filled at 525. It wasn't me. I'm going 27. Test it with a freaking odd lot. That's what the 0 means. That's an odd lot, less than 100 shares. There's no other trade I'm looking at to do either. They ain't giving me 27. Now it's fucking, they bought the ass. Someone just got filled at freaking 27.1. The manipulation of that. A freaking tenth of a penny above me. Now there's 34 fucking bid. Pieces of shit. Stock's being big time manipulated. traded 918 in the bid. Actually, is an odd lot at 534, but it got filled 918 at 530 and didn't even budge the 10. Sons of bitches. There's some big time manipulation. May not come back to 6, 570, 560. Maybe the preserver. I'm trying to buy some here more so I could sell it there and lower my average down to like 570 on the next one. Maybe Bitmain was watching me and they're like, holy shit, we're going to freaking get this guy. And they came in and shorted some of it. Bitmain. Or trade ideas. Trade ideas came in. Wi-Fi. Look at this stock, just went from 24 to 30, gapped up, crazy. Fuck, this NSYS ain't giving shit, dude. Trying to do the best we can. Where is that stock? Here it is. 535 by 538. I got filled on 300 shares. I'm at 5,500 at 595. Now it's 40 by 45. Come on now, do something. Torch is moving up, but it's too cheap. Hard day here in the market. 225 signal on Excel. Ugh, NSYS just got destroyed. Ugh, I think I just may dump it. I just may dump it. Fucking like it. Dumping it. I'm bumping it. Taking it off my screen in case people are shorting against me. You're not going to see what I'm doing. I'm bumping it. Most people already got stopped out. I just got filled. My average is 525. 525, and I'm not buying no more. 525, 9444. And I don't got a shitload of shares, but I got a nice fucking amount. Oh, you would think I got like 80,000 shares and shit and 100,000 shares. Nah, definitely not. Yeah, it's coming back. Only at 525. I'll show you after I'm out what I had, how I was able to get my average down. Oh, you're right with me. So you probably did the same thing I did. Yeah, you and me scaled the same. I got 525. You're probably down 600. I got 20,000. Yeah, 516. You're looking good. I'm at 25. I bumped it too. I got filled at 487, I think. I think I bought that 487. See, it's already back to 508. That's us. We're selling here, guys. These are my traders selling right here on the ask. Mine. Mojo traders. Once you clear us out, then you can take some more. Take the 87. Shorted it again. Damn, I missed it. See? Went right there, dropped it, and boom, right back to 5 bids. Looks like Death Valley. They ain't giving shit. I didn't get filled there. It'll take me 2 days to make this one back if it don't go back to 525, but I think it will. Dude, I had my other account. I'd have like 50,000. I'd be bumping like 50 on this. It would be bad. It's not that bad right now. Now make sure you press the right buttons. Signal at 5. Come on, rip that 5 right to 520 for my boys. Come on. Let me put the mask on. Let me put the mask on. Come on, boys. Now we go. Mouse, kick that shit in ass, baby. Pop.
Yeah. Well, yes. Give me a Y. Give me an E. Give me an F.
Damn, 2 days in a row. Got caught in AWX yesterday. Now I'm caught in NSYS today. Pieces of shit. Traded Apple like a champion yesterday through 200. Like a champ through 200. It's a 203. Look at that. Did it again. Should have been focused on that Apple again. Like we did yesterday. Big old rail grind up there. Just damn on the wrong damn stock, man. Shouldn't have even have done that QRTH. It was too small this morning. Excel was the only good one for the Heinz 22 on a real stock. Come on, NSYS. Kick me $5, baby. Shit. Dude, they may stop me out if they freaking drop that bid like that. That's what they fucking do. Because the accounts are set at stop losses and they drop the freaking bid to widen up the loss to take it even though the ass doesn't stay. Cancel that sucker. You fuckers. You see that? They drop the bid to take your stock, then bring the bid back up. That's why it's a 20-cent spread. And the offer went from 75 to 87 now. It's a big time manipulation, folks. Big, big time. Motherfuckers. Motherfucking fuckers. Excuse my language. What I say when I'm down. I hate the manipulation of these market makers, man. And it's only traded 1.3 million. High of 8, low of 4. 100% move in 10 minutes. That's not an orderly market. That's a big old manipulation. We need this thing going back to 520. Piece of crap. Damn. Come on now. Give Mojo a little birthday present. Now I got to sit here and watch dry paint manipulation. Come on, green bar. Green bar take us right over $5. Right there. That's all we got to get to is right there, boys. Right there. Imagine if it went all the way up to that, 650. Imagine if it stayed down here all day at 480. Went lower. Ugh.
No. N-O.
Sucks. People like, damn, you make $5 grand, you make $7 grand. Yeah, now I'm down 10 grand. That's what you do. God damn, bang, bang. All right, let's take a look at something else just for a second. I want to get some relief from my miners at work. And the miners, there's no risk. You just always make money. It just always goes up. Ugh. I'm about to get stopped out. A couple more $1,000, I'm done. I ain't letting it go down that like that. I don't give a shit about that piece of shit stock. I'll sell it for a loss and then rebuy it back. And I'll still be at a loss, but I will have shaved off a little bit. It's like I got one last whipping on them before I leave. Piece of shit stock. What do I got? 4 workers says offline. Mine, the gamer, Mojo Miner 12 is offline. Get out. Ugh. About to get stopped out, you piece of shit. Hate you. Yep, Mojo Miner 12 is out. Son of a gun. Let's restart up the miner. Miner restarted. See right there, 7 cards, GeForce 1070 Ti's. Just started it up, connecting to it. That's why it is, because this one's not connecting. I got to do a restart. Shut down, restart. Here we go. What was the other one? Mojo Miner 18. I don't have to go there. I could just check it right here. Yep, Mojo Miner 18 is down. What I mean by down is it's not on. See? It's on, but the miner just went off. 485. What a 20-cent manipulation spread. See how they do that? All right, 7 cards on Mojo Miner 18. Let's see what the problem is with this one. I got to restart it. Epoch DAG, buffer 5. There we go. Started up nicely. See, the first one comes with 0 mega hash. And then the next one will come in after it sets the DAG epoch times. There we go. Mining at 30 mega hash. New job. Mojo Miner 18. Look, signal at 88, 280. Signal at 88, 280. Finally. Look. Told you. So that miner's back up and running. Look at that. Signal at 88, 280, boys. He's there. He didn't leave. I just came back dramatically, dude. I was at the verge point of being stopped out right at the 50, and it went 52. That's badass, dude. Whew. I've made back a bunch. Come on, $5. It rips that 488, that 280. He's still there, dudes. He didn't leave. This would be a A birthday present, the best. My birthday tomorrow. Oh man. Oh man. Now they're covering the shorts. Who fucking knows? Who fucking knows, dude? All I know is it's 85, dude. Headed into 97 signal right now, bro. That's what I see. I see the 97 $5 roll right now, but look at that. Dude, I'm coming back big. There's your signal. He's there at 280. See him? Told you he's not fucking gone, boys. Told ya. Told ya. Even my dogs love it, boys. See? I know which way it's going. I know which way it's going. I own it at 511.18. 5.118296. That's my average. Dude, I came back. You won't believe, I could sell it now and pretty much take the loss and be happy from where it was. You know that? Because I looked up, I was down a lot. Now I'm down half of a lot. You get that? I was down a lot. Now I'm down half of a lot. Right? I could take a loss on some, it'll go higher for all you. Excel, new high, 22.48 on Excel. See that? That was a beautiful high. It's 20, what we do, 21, 22 on that? 22, it's beautiful, right? There's the 280, he's back. There he is. He's back. 22.50 on Excel, good pick. Come on, Mosh. Don't want to do this right now. About to. I don't usually do that. I don't like to. Excel, new high. Woo! Excel ripping 267, guys. Great job. Look at this move. Woo! Sweet. In 3-4 stocks today, that's it. 2 of them are real big winners. Excel and QTRH. And SYS the loser. For right now, though. Imagine the people that bought it up at 8 this morning in that bar, 437. This bar at 683. This bar at 6. This bar at 560. This bar, at least I'm here at this bar at 511. I don't feel too bad. Even though I'm losing, don't feel too bad because I don't own it up in the cloud. Hi, man. Anybody on YouTube? Yeah, Ramy. All right. This day we traded ASTC in the room on June 19th from 297 right through Heinz 3 right there to 314. It was a beautiful trade. We did this following that. Link made 5,775. Allen made 762. Brian made 198, and Blink on Blink, Madron made 150. On this one, Gerardo scored a touchdown. On this one, Mojo picked this stock, went up huge on February 26th, went to $3.85, up $1.67. These are some of my highlighted good trades. NXTD at 310 right there. NXTD at from 290 to 307. What was the next one? Here's the 290 on NXTD. Heinz went to 310. NXTD started at here's 286. It went to 310. And here's the original loving the pre-market move at 274 to 310. $12,500 before 10 a.m. Sweet. Nice job. Some good trades. These are some of my learning boards. Showed you that one yesterday. I'll show you a new one today. Day trading for a living and getting started. The first thing you need to do is join the MOJO Day Trading team. That's number one. Oh my God, it's ripping. I gotta go. I gotta go. $5. Here we go. $4.97 right here. $5. Here's the rip. I freaking love it. My thing just jumped like $5,000. $4.95. Told you it would take out that big signal, that 288. Told you, dudes. Told you, dudes. Told you. Yo, mama, hang in there. Come back. Stuck in. Okay, yeah, but you've been here for 2 days, and it's a paid chat room, so you have to leave. You have to subscribe or leave. I have no patience and tolerance for that, and you know that. This guy's sitting down here on the bottom for 2 days. I've been trying to get in touch with him, and then he tells me right here that freaking whatever. Hang in there. It'll come back. I'm so ready to rest him in peace. It's sick. Damn, it won't take my stock. There we go. All right, I've realized $1,000 loss so far on it. But I lost 1,600, but I was up 600, and the trade's not over yet. So now I can lower my cost basis because I sold some. Now this guy's listening to me. Yo, mama, say he left. He left. but he didn't leave because he's right here. Everyone is. Let's go find Yo Mama. There he is. See him? Now we ban him. I see it. Nice job. Yeah. Playing games. I kicked those two guys out, Mako and the other guy, they're gone. VSTM, the one I made a mistake on this morning, it's approaching 8. Great, let me see. VSTM, it's right, it's 785. That's funny. Yeah, the one I made a mistake on this morning. I did. I just kicked Mako out. Sorry. Tell him to come back. Next time, tell him to answer me. $488. Can't believe it's by 68. All right, I sold some at 95. I want to lower my cost basis from 511 right now and buy a couple thousand back. They're not letting me. I'll bid that sucker up. I'll buy the ask. See this? The people at 480 that just did, that's one person. See? And I bought the ask. See, it's just one person. It's a trick. It's a trick. I can line up 20 buy bids if I wanted to right now. On 10 different market makers. Yeah, Excel new high of the day going through 23. Great job on Excel. Yeah, I definitely see it. Now at Heinz. That's Heinz number 7,776 in a row. 7,776. Next one, 7,777. Apple's 204. Crazy, huh? I think I'm going to make money on NSYS, actually, guys. I sold at $4.95. My average is 5.012864. And it's 480, 470. They filled me a couple times on the bid. I guess they had to because it was a market share auto close and whoever's there gets filled. I didn't get auto close, thank gosh. Close. when it was 452. Because I owned it at 525. Now I own it at 501. So I'm safe. That was like yesterday, Tom, remember? When you were down on that one and it came all the way back up and you sold it, right, for a little bit of a loss, and then it came back down, you could have lowered your average and stuff. Same exact thing, dude. So if I didn't make that buy down and bump and sell it back up, I'd own it at 525. But now I own it, pretty good. Same amount of shares at 501. Yeah, that's not bad, considering where it's been. And if you weren't here, you'd own it at 703. You're ahead $2 just by being here. Thank gosh. Yeah, amen. There's kind of a small signal at 99, but he's got to make it big again. Here he is. See 21. You see what he's doing at 99? You see him? You see? They're signaling at each other at 99 right here. It's the only one moving. You see what they're doing? That's the one they're signaling on. 499 on NSDQ. That's the one. It may go to 210 and then rip through and go right to 520. And I own it at 501. A nice block, a big block. Ooh, big block.
Yes. Yeah. Well, yes.
Come on now, firm up.
Yes. Yes, 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 yes.
Yeah, 21 there.
Yeah. Yeah, baby. Yeah.
They don't like it. There's a 60. Give me something big. Let me take my eye off it. ENPH long, 579 long sequence into $6. ENPH, new high just happened. We take it 80, 85, 90, 95. We go 80, 85, 90, 95. 0, 0. I think it can make that move easy. Apple's strong, huh? Why? Apple's a piece of crap. Apple's gone straight up, dude, since 200, 4 points. We traded that yesterday. Look at that, Apple. You know who's coming? Big Red. He'll come. 84 by 88. See the curl. Tesla's up $29. Crazy. Look at these 5-minute bars. $5. $4. This bar right here went from 327 to 336 points. Could be trading some options with that. We used to do that on the Dow. Remember that? A couple of years ago, we used to do that on the Dow, the diamonds. We used to do that. I remember the diamonds. And options are good because you no PDT rule. Anyone could trade options. You don't need to buy no $25,000 worth of stock. You can trade one option. Come on, baby. 90. Come on, baby. 80, 90. There's no signals, man. There's a 1 all the way. It's magic highway. Come on, baby. There's a signal. 21, back at 99. There he is. He's back. But the spread is so damn big. It's so manipulated. We're in the trap of, it's like quicksand. You could see the edge, but you can't get out. That's a good analogy, right? You could see the edge, but you can't get out. Like right there, man. It's sick. Cello. Who is this? Nice. Okay, good. $90 by $94. You're giving me such good luck. As soon as you called, I'm in the stock that I'm losing money in and it's down. And as soon as you called and started talking to me, it's been like ticking up every second since you've been talking to me. So keep on going, but you're giving me real good luck. I love it.
Application, there's no marketable like a credit. Okay, there's no, so it won't take your FICO. And the other thing is of course, you know, represent the penny interest. So apples for apples, you get a worse rate. So if you need anything in terms of working out right now.
Absolutely, for the business. So let's do some, send me out I'll give you my email and send me your email with the information I need to fill out, and I'll get you in.
I'll tell you what, if we could right now, like literally 2 minutes, tell me, how soon do you need funds?
All the time. All the time. Oh, I'm at 94.
All right.
95. Come on, $5. Yeah, what was that, buddy? I run a computer data center. Projected are going to be around 8 million. Or, oh, not for my new business, for the regular run, about 1.2 million. Current. Yes. Yes. Correct. Per month. Yes. No. It's all day and all night, 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. I'm one of the largest GPU and Bitcoin mining companies in the in the whole United States, possibly in the world, soon to be. Any what? Small ones. Working on some really big ones. I'm about to do a purchase for $80 million worth of equipment, and I have a nice deposit to work with that. So if you are that kind of capacity, you can be in the bid on it and so forth. Nothing. No. I mine cryptocurrency with my computers. $80 million, 56 million to start, and then another 20, 34 on top of that. Includes the land and the equipment and everything. Yeah, I think so. We're looking for big bankers and stuff. So yeah. No problem. Thank you for giving me a call. It could have been a good one for you if you were a big banker, you know what I mean?
How about why don't we say one? How about we put down one bill for now and see where that goes? You want to try that? Just see where it goes.
Go ahead.
I take it no bankruptcies, no liens, no judgments.
No.
What about on your monthly statements? Do you have overdrafts like
No.
at the end of the month? No. Okay. And
It's a revolving door of money, like one of those doors that goes spins around.
nice. Am I calling your cell right now?
My only phone.
Okay, that's your cell, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, buddy.
Dude, you made my stock go over $5, dude. I have a room right. Everybody thank this guy, dude. I'm on YouTube Live. I'm streaming to like hundreds of people. I have hundreds of people in they're all thank you, banker man. That's what the Gerardo just said. Trader Joe just said thank you, sir. Pro Trader Allen said thanks. Pro Trader Kelly just said thank you. Pro Trader Klopp said thank you, sir. Trader Tom said thanks. Trader my friend Barney just said thanks. Pro Trader Gerardo said drop $2 million on the kid. Pro Trader Richard said thanks. Bohan said thanks. Dude, all these guys were down money with me, dude. Pro Trader Jungle said thanks. They're all thanking you, bro.
Yeah, listen. I'm always going to be there for them.
Yeah, I'll send you this video. You want to see the video? You want to see us live? Let's go to Twitter if you can. You could see us live talking about you right now. You want to see that?
I can't.
Oh, that sucks.
I got to jump. Give me your email address.
info@mojominers.com.
I love that. MOJOminers.com. All right, buddy. I'm going to send out the one-page.
503. Go ahead, bud. Send it out. I gotta go. Peace. Dude, 503. That guy was a magic man, dude. Holy shit. I'm down $385. I'm up 500. Oh, yeah! They're taking me. Holy shit. Look. I got 15,000 at 501. And it's 506. That guy's a fucking magic man, dude. I had more. Can you fucking believe it? I made money on the day. I didn't lose. Dude, I was down $12,000. So in my eyes, I've made 12 grand on this trade. Come on, get to 20, baby. Dude, how sick is that? Excel? Yeah, I'm out of it, though. I'm in this fucking NSYS, dude. I got 13,000 left, bro. I got a lot. See? I had to sell a bunch, bro. Sweet. Wow. See that? Signal at 15. Whoo-wee. What a comeback live. 510 bid, 514. There's Allen. Allen and my boys undercut the penny. Patience, they're coming to take it now. Here you go. They're coming for you. Here you go. Oh, yeah. Patience. Shorters are still trying at 11, unfortunately. But that won't work. It's going to shoot to 19. Here it goes. Get ready. 12, 13. Alan, you're gone. See ya. See that 35? See it? 1, 2, 3. Oh, 4, he's done. See? Told you. Within 3 seconds, right on the money. Told you. 3 seconds on the money, boys. Mojo has 10,000 up $1,471. I'm next. Alan's first. I'm next. Here we go. 1,000 on the ask. Let's do it, baby. Give me 19. Give me 19. Then give me 24. Give me 24. Here we go. 19. Sold. Now give me 24. Give me 24. Thank you. Give me 24. Here's 24. Thank you. Give me 24. Woo-wee! That's how we do it. You got a moderator that ain't kicking ass excited, sweating up a storm, freaking out when stocks are up and down. He's melancholy. He ain't really trading, boys. You got to be in the trenches, sweating bullets. Rubbing your rabbit's foots together, man. Freaking doing the minor floss, doing anything you can to make that money go back up. The MOJO. You hear these melancholy guys. Yes, well, I'm up another 4,000. Well, I lost another 3,000. Well, this is the scanner today. Well, I thought I was going to get caught. Well, back in the day, there was another stock that I had done that. And 1 year ago today on my calendar, I looked and I was blah, 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 blah. And then the year before that, on this day and this month, I was, and I compare it. And I have no idea. And what I hear all over the fucking place. Come on, baby. Went down from 600 to up 125. Why? Because you're in the MOJO room, baby. Because you're in the MOJO room, Ja. MOJO, baby. Fucking saved. 520 from 452. At 451, I was on the verge of getting stopped out for like 17 grand, dude. I came all the way back. I'm fucking positive 1,400, baby, with 9,000 left. I had to bump that shit. Now I'm up 1,200, 1,400. I had to lose 1,000 to bring. I still wouldn't be winning. I had my average at 525, but now I'm winning because I took that loss, lowered my cost, and now I'm winning. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, I love that number. Come on, baby, rip me. Yeah. Yes. Dude, I need the 20s. Come on, 20. Look at Excel, Heinz 23.07, new high on Excel. Rocking the chomper. My guys have switched to a 15-minute rail grind, and I've been in this stock ever since it entered this crest right here. They took the chairlift up, and they crested it right here, and they've been in it ever since on a 15-minute rail grind. The mastery of MOJO trading. Look at that, guys. Isn't that sick? $513, baby. $517, baby. Dude, I'm just sitting at 24, 29, 39, 34, and 44. You can come take me.
Oh, yes. Yeah. Maybe?
Maybe.
That's a firm maybe.
Maybe.
M-A-Y-B-E. Let's go with maybe. Maybe.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Maybe yes. Maybe no.
Okay, we'll see. Cheers. Yo, I got to get that sales guy to call back. Maybe if I check his email. He sent me an email? Yeah, he did. Let me look at his email. Michael, it was a pleasure speaking with you. It's our aim to make the application process as fast and easy as possible. Unlike other companies, we're a direct funder with no upfront costs, no hidden fees, and we'll fund you on top of your existing balance if you need additional capital without making you pay off your existing balance. Please click here. It's fast and works on a smartphone. You can also text me at 646-3 blank blank 8 blank 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 for a quick response. I've attached a 2-minute application for you to fill out. If you could send over 4 months bank statements as well, it would expedite the underwriting process. You can email me at 646 blankety blank blank the blankety blank blank. Once I get the statements, I'll take less than a day to get back with the quote, and we'll be in touch. Have a great day. The refi, the banking, the man. Did it go up? Oh, shit, it didn't. But there's big bids down there that came in. That's good. Dude, I read his email. It should have gone up, bro. Made 5% today. Healthy. Heading out. Nice. Yeah, winning. Explaining his actions. Just winning. Come on now. Here we go, boys. I read that letter. Take me to 20. Oh, cross market at 17 with an odd lot at 17, and it ain't me. Ooh. Oh. Hello. What's up, Joe? Uh-huh. Yep. That's cool. We could do it that way too. Yep. 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 Done. Awesome. Thank you, man. Yep. I've been pitching it and getting it prepared as we speak. Cool. That was my call and confirmation for my package program. Here's what I got getting put together. You ready? The package is, oh my God, it's 540. I'm up 2,290. See, when people fucking call me, dudes, I make tons of freaking cash. If your moderator doesn't get excited by making freaking money like that, it's not real. Sick. I think I sold 2,000. Yep, there it is. At 30 range right here. Figures it's freaking high. I get the worst freaking fills, dude. So my new program, guys. Sold some. Nice. My new program is for that. I think it's $14.97. You get the following. You get a $500 trading account. You get 3 months of the MOJO Day Trade room. $300 right there. You get $200 paid simulator for the demo for training, and you get MOJO University $14.97. or $19.97. This one's, so you get the $14.97 online course or the $19.97 live course taught by Pro Trader Alan. So you get that for $14.97. So if you back it out, $14.97 minus 500 because you get your trading account. So $14.97 minus 500. You're left with $9.99. So let's say it's $4.97. Because $3, we'll take $3. I'll get paid $3. How about that? So you're left with $1,000 balance actually paid. And then you have to do 3 months of the day trade room, that's 300, and 2 months of the simulator, that's gonna cost, anywhere would cost you 500. So that's actually like paying $500, paying for education, and you get a $500 real money trading account. And it comes with this is what it comes with. Because I've scoured the internet for this partner, I've put a lot of time, energy, and effort into it. I've talked to several firms to see where the best support service platform and the cheapest commission rates for Mojo team. This is only for trading the live account now and for the program that I'm talking about. Many firms now, this is what we got right here. You can see many firms nowadays charge a pretty commission. The average firm fees these days. Someone looking to day trade stocks, it's going to run you about $8 a trade. That, of course, includes both the buys and the sells for a total of $16 per trade. And you got to buy at one price and sell it at one price. So it's not the best scenario for trading and scaling in for the best price. What most people don't know is that these firms pay significantly less to provide us with order routing and trading services. And Mojo Day Trading has negotiated a special rate for Mojo traders only and is not available to the public. It shouldn't be shared because you guys can't get it with anywhere but with the Moj. And here's the commission and what we got going on. So how it works is the commission right here, structure for Mojo, is going to receive a 0.0055 per share. So if you buy 100 shares, it's going to cost you a nickel. And the next 200 shares, and it's going to cost you a dime. And then when you buy 700 shares, it's going to cost you 35 cents. So that one, 700 times 700, that's correct. So it's going to cost you 50 cents. Oh, I'm sorry. It's going to cost 1,000 shares is $5. That's $5.50. So you have 100 shares is 55 cents. That's $1.10. And then 700 would be the difference. 550 minus 110 minus 55. That's 385. And that's how you'd scale into 1,000 shares for $5.50. And then you'd sell it. You'd sell 500. And then you'd sell 100, and then sell 100, and sell 100, and sell 100, and sell 100. And that right there would cost you $5.50. So the whole trade in and out would cost you $11 on 1,000 shares. And on 1,000 shares, you're making a minimum of a dime. That's $100. So you're left with $90 out of every single bet. And that's how you do it right there. So besides that, what else do you get? You get 6-to-1 leverage. is a big benefit. So with your $500, you're actually getting $3,000 in buying power. So let's say you start at 500, you get 3,000 in buying power, and then the next day you're at 550. Well, let's say you're at six, you made $100, you're at 600. Now you're at 6 to 1 is $4,200 in buying power. The next day you go to 700. Now you're at 7 times 6 is that's 4,300. 6 times that's 3,600 in buying power. And when you get to $1,000, you have 6,000 in buying power. And it keeps on going. And you use that, and you got to be done like within 30 minutes. You can't trade stocks that are $3 and less. So $3 and less is a no-no. And that's what we do. You can only buy 1,000 shares at the max of a smaller stock, and the bigger stocks you can only buy like 100 to 300 shares. Your max risk per day is $100 max loss. You can't go more than that, and that's how you learn how to day trade. That's the program I'm setting up, and it'll cost you $14.97 to start your whole life and your career. That's what I got going on. So we got 514 by 519. I got 6,000 shares left of this piece of crapola Nola right there. NSYS 6,000 at 501. I'm up 762, 777. I'm up a bunch. And we turned it around live with resilience, patience, and a little bit of luck. Always like a little bit of luck. Always like a little bit of luck. That's good. See that super chat, Ramey, and you see the super chat and Pro Trader Mar in the YouTube, the S, click on it. Send a super chat. You see that? You could send me freaking a super chat with some dollars and shit. Go ahead, try one, man. Send me one, dude. That little S down there. See if it comes up. Give me a thumbs up and a likey too. 515 by 20. Up 800. I think I may sell another 1,000. I'm trying to. They're not taking me, man. They ain't taking it. They did an 18.5. Half a schniggle under me at 19, but they didn't take my 19. 11 o'clock. Show lasted a long time today because we were stuck in the stock. Did that work? Anyone sending me a super chat? 16 of you watching. Each one of you send me a couple dollars right now. I'm never doing another day trading show again. Never. Never doing another show again. Let me see my miners, make sure I'm working. Make sure my miners are working. So these are here on the bottom that I restarted here. Let's force reload and see if they're working now. It says Mojo Miner 12 is out 21 hours ago. That ain't good. Oh, that's the one with the internet connection that had to restart. Yeah. Now let's start her up. Glad I remembered and looked again. Let's check it out. So hope I don't have to go over there. 7 cards identified. Here we go. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Daggy pop done. Yes, connected, bitch. Look, 30 mega hash, 30 mega hash, 30 mega hash, 30 meg. Look, running it in my warehouse at 62 degrees Celsius, 58 degrees Celsius, 63 degrees Celsius, 60 degrees, 61 degrees Celsius. See that, baby, running. Baby running. So let's close this one. Share found. And Mojo Miner 19 says it's been down. Oh, 38, and it just hasn't found shares, but it's up. So let's refresh this right here. Do a force reload. And let's see if my miner's up. He'll be up. So that's Mojo Miner 12. She'll pop up right up there in line, right after 11. At 4,200. Oh, I'm about to get paid. I'm at $77. I get paid almost twice a day. And sucks that freaking Ethereum's $412, man. That's okay. I'm going to be like this guy right here. You see, 1.6 million mega hash just for one coin. Look, he's makes $6,000. See, $5,000 a payment. See, he makes every day. Well, they don't list his payments here. I think he's got a special. He owns the pool. That's why. Duh. So this was no, this is today, August 2nd. He got paid once, twice, three. This he does not deploy. He got paid 3 times a day. Yesterday he got paid once, twice, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times a day. And he gets paid a day $44,669 a day, $312,000 a week, and 1.3 million a month. I'll take that with Ethereum at 412. I'll hold that 1.3 million, and in 3 months, 4 months, that shit'll be up 30, 40%. Yep. That's beautiful right there. Big numbers. He's got 14,000 workers. I'm going to have 16,000. He has 13,833 workers. My one thing I'm building now has 16,000, and he's low. My machines run at 3 times the machine power he does. See, he's got weak cards, 1050s, 1060s, weak. He's got weak machines. He has to have so many of them to equal what I got. Right here. See, he's at 117. Me, I'm at 216, 184, 214, 212. I'm double his machines. So, dude, when I got 16,000, let's take 16,000 times 220 mega hash. I'll be at 3.5 million mega hash. So let's go to 3.5 million right here. He's 1.6. So if you just double that, take this, double it, you're at, double it, let me see. So if you double 1.33, 1,334,995 times 2, I'll be at $2.6 million a month. $2.6 million a month in the operation. Let's say even round number to 3 million. It's going to cost 56 million to do it. Divided by 3 million is 18.6 months break even on the whole operation. Badass. And dude, I got a plan to cut that to 6.2 months. Better ask somebody. Yeah, better ask somebody. $509. Amazing. Watch, I'll sell it. It'll go up higher. Watch. One of my weakest days, but guys, I was down a bunch, and this is a smaller account, so I'm actually kind of happy. For my first trading day of my new thing. $691 versus previous days, and it makes line because I'm trading a tenth of the size. 6,000. That seems correct. Everything seems in line. VSTM was a mistake. I shouldn't even have traded. That was a keystroke error and shit. So there you go. Mojo's been able to salvage a 691. It was an amazing. From being down how much I was, you better believe it. So thank you so much for staying tuned, being with the Moj since 9. Not been on for a while. If you like my videos, give me a comment below, like my show, and click the little bell so you get notified when I go live, and we'll kick it up on the high side another time. Take it easy.